name's Troy Hawes, and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to review a fantastic song by the Commodores called Easy. Written by Lionel Richie, Easy peaked at number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1977. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progressions. And as always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great song from the Commodores, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Alright, in order to get all the way through Easy by the Commodores, you're going to need to know basically 5.5 chords. I'll explain that to you here in just a minute. But before we get to these chords, just a quick note. If you want to play along with the album version by the Commodores, or even play along with me here at the Acoustic Lounge, you're going to need to place a capo on the first fret. Keep that in mind. Alright, so let's have a look at these chords. What are you going to need to know? You're going to need to know a G major. There's also a C chord in this song as well. There's a D major. Now, the song calls for an F chord. You can play it. You can play a barred F chord if you prefer. But I actually use one called an F major 7. All three will work. So whatever you're most comfortable playing, go with that one. Like I say, they'll all work for you. Now, that 5.5 chord that I was speaking about earlier, in the bridge there's an A minor. But for the rest of the song, I use a chord called an A minor 7. You might say to yourself, well, why even bother? Those chords are so close. And again, the only difference is that in the A minor, you simply remove your ring finger, and that creates the A minor 7. You can certainly get away with simply playing the A minor chord in this song. But the A minor 7 is a beautiful chord when it's played along with the verses, and the chorus for that matter. It's up to you. You do whatever you like. Both will work, of course. Again, the A minor is only used in the bridge, or at least the version that I play. With that, let's get to the cover.
It sounds fun, but I just can't stand the pain. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all I can. You see, I begged, stole, and I borrowed. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Easy like Sunday morning, and that's why I'm easy. Oh, easy like Sunday morning. Why in the world would anybody want to put chains on me? I've paid my dues. Everybody wants me to be what they want me to be. Not happy when I try to fake it. Oh no, oh no. That's why I'm easy, easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy, oh, easy like Sunday morning. I wanna be high, so high. I wanna be free to know the things I do alright. I want to be free, just me. That's why I'm easy, easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy, oh, easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy, easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy, oh, easy like Sunday morning.
All right, let's jump into the chord progressions. We're going to break this into 3 parts for you. We'll start with a look at the verses, then we'll jump into the chorus, and then we'll finish things off with a look at the bridge. With that, let's get to the verses. The song starts on the G major chord and goes something like this. No, it sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all I can. See, I beg, stole, and I borrow. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. And then that jumps into the chorus. Let's have a look at it now. Okay, also starting on the G major chord, the chorus goes something like this. That's why I'm easy, easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy, oh, easy like Sunday morning. And that's it. Let's have a closer look now at that bridge. Okay, starting on the A minor chord, and this is the only part of the song where the A minor chord exists. The song goes something like this. I want to be high, so high. I want to be free to know things I do alright. I want to be free, just me. And there you have it, Easy by the Commodores. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.